what qualities do you need to be a good public speaker? Hello everyone, this is Shashank Sawarn. Welcomes you to the official channel of Orators Inc. And in this video, I will try to clarify this topic that what all do you need to be a good public speaker? What are those qualities? So let's get started. See, when I started my experience or my learning in public speaking, I used to think this a lot, that the speakers, the best speakers around the world, they have something God gifted with them. So they are not nervous on stage, they face the camera very easily. It is not a big deal for them. But ultimately, I realized that there is nothing like that. They just practice a lot, they put a lot of effort, invest a lot of time and work on themselves. Then they get this position, then they get this confidence to go on the stage and face the camera fearlessly. So after getting trained in public speaking, after practicing a lot, I realized that beside all the theories and all the concepts, you need 4 or 5 things. 4 or 5 qualities should be there in you for being a good public speaker. And what are those qualities? Let me tell you. Number 1 thing is confidence. You need to be very confident for being a public speaker, because when the time comes that you have to go on the stage and present, that is something different. The experience is completely different. You feel like butterflies in your stomach, your heartbeat is going up, you are sweating, you start fidgeting, all those negative things start happening with you. You tend to think that everything will go wrong on the stage, and if you get deep into that, ultimately things go wrong. So these are the basic things which comes with the lack of confidence. So you have to carry lots and lots of confidence with you. The second thing which you need is your body language. You need a very strong body language, and you need to know the basics of body language as well, like what is open body language, what is closed body language, all these things which affect your speech. Third, you need content. Content here means that you should know that how you can prepare your content. People pursue public speaking, but they don't have that thinking capacity, or they don't develop that thinking habit on a particular topic. What they end up doing, they pick content from other speakers, they pick content from websites, from internet, and that does not work. You need to create your own content. That is the third requirement. You need to think on the topic. You have to develop this habit of brainstorming. That's the third quality which you need. Fourth quality which you need is language. You must have a strong command over any language. I'm not specifying any language. It is not required to be English, it is not required to be Hindi, it could be any language in which you are comfortable and in which there is an audience to listen to you. That's it. But you must have a good command over that. Fifth quality which you need to develop to be a good public speaker is curiosity. If you are a curious person, it's a boon for your public speaking career. Why I'm saying so? I'm saying it because curiosity leads you explore new things, new concepts, new cultures around the world. It opens a lot of doors for you to create your own content, and that content leads to fill your knowledge bank, and that knowledge bank leads to develop your confidence. It ultimately backs up all the basic qualities, all the basic necessities which you need to be a good public speaker. If you are curious, you won't get tired, you won't get a burnout in a reading, you won't feel bored in getting in touch with people, you won't feel hesitant in talking with someone from different culture. You will be very excited. That excitement is a fuel for public speaking. So fifth quality, according to me, which should be there in a good public speaker is curiosity. I hope this video was helpful for you. It helped you out in some or the other way. If yes, if it helped you, if it added some value to your life, then do like this video, do subscribe this channel and share it with those who really need this. With that said, this is Shashank Sawarn signing off.